Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to archive or unarchive posts on Instagram. You can easily archive a post you shared to hide it from your profile and make it so your followers and other people on Instagram can't see it. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Instagram application, and once you're on your home screen, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you reach your profile, select the post you want to archive for my profile. Once you select the picture, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner, and from the expanded menu, tap on the archive. Now with this, you have archived a post on Instagram. Once you've archived a post, you can choose to show it on your profile again, then the post will return to its original spot on your profile. To do so from your profile, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner, and tap on the archive at the top of the screen. Tap on the Stories archive at the top, and select Post Archive. You'll be able to see the post that you've archived on Instagram. Now in order to unarchive it back, tap on the post, and tap on the three dots at the upper right from the expanded menu. Tap on Show on Profile, and that is it. That is how you can quickly archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.